In the second video of basics of programming languages. From today onwards we are going to learn introduction to C programming languages, and it's very good to learn C programming before any programming language because it's very easy. And in this programming tutorial you will be learning how to write logics for writing programs, because it's the main thing that you should know how to write logics. Because if you are just knowing the syntax and knowing the flow control within the program, it's not enough. Because if you are going for any interview or any hiring off-dry campus or on-dry campus or any product-based company or service-based company, they will be just checking your logic. They will not be focusing on your syntax and all. So we will be learning syntax as well as logic. And C is the best programming for learning logics, because in today's programming like Python and Java and all, there are some inbuilt functions like sort, and we will see later. And so they are not focusing on writing the logics. What are the logics used behind those functions? They are just using inbuilt functions. So students are not getting aware of what is the logic, how it is working. So we will be seeing all these things using this C language. And if you want to prefer any book for learning programming languages, programming language like C, there is a book by Dennis Ritchie, C Programming by Dennis Ritchie, and it's the best one, because Dennis Ritchie himself is the developer of C programming, so it's the best. But if you are just a beginner in learning the C programming, it's not preferred, because it's somewhat using terminologies which will be not which you will not be familiar with. So it's better just keep in touch with me in this video series, and I'll make it sure that every doubt will be cleared. And if you have still any doubt, you can comment below in the comment section, and I will definitely reply to those comments and clear your doubts. Okay, so today we are just going to see basic syntax of C programming. Means which parts of the programming will be used in every program, and how to print hello world on your computer screen. Okay, so let's see. So this is the very first program in C language for printing hello world on your computer screen. As you can see, the very first line in this program has include stdio.h. These two lines had to be used in every program you are writing in C language. So let's understand what does this two lines means. Has include stdio.h. This has signifies that this is a preprocessor statement. Preprocessor directive will get aware of these two statements, that before executing this program you have to include these two files in this program. There are two files, stdio.h, onio.h, which have to be included in this program. Stdio.h is a header file which is called standard input output header file, and this have to be included because we are using a function which is known as printf to print whatever we are writing here will be printed on your computer screen. So for printing this argument on your computer screen, we are using printf function, and this printf function is defined within this stdio.h header file. Okay, so we have to include this. Stdio.h file is already written for us, so that it will be easier for us to write on the console window of your screen. This has include conio.h is used so that we can use there is a function inside this header file clear screen, which is known CLR, SCR. We will be seeing in the next video. These are used to clear the screen, whatever you will be printing on the screen. After that, you have to clear that screen, and so that next output will be visible. There is a function called getch, which will be used because if you will press any key, then only you will be getting out of that window. Otherwise, you will be still there. We will see in detail what are the functions inside this header file and this header file. Now the main thing comes here. You have to understand that whenever any program starts executing, it always starts from the main function. And what is function, what is variable, we will be seeing in detail in the next video. For right now, just you have to focus the basic syntax. We are just discussing the basic syntax here. As you can see, this is void. This is something called as return type. What is the return type of any function? What are the arguments? How to write functions? We will be seeing in the next tutorial. And for right now here, just understand any function have parenthesis with its name. The name of the function is this main. Main is the name of function, and how to identify whether it's a function or not, it will be having parenthesis, opening and closing bracket. Similarly, here you can see printf is a function. Printf is the name of the function, and it's having starting and ending brackets. So it's a function, and within that bracket, anything passed is known as argument. As you can see here, hello world. Hello world is a string constant which is being passed here as an argument, which will be printed on our computer screen. And one more important thing, that any statement within this main have to be ended with a semicolon, because then our compiler will understand that this statement is ended here. So semicolon tells the compiler that this statement is ended here. Now go to the next statement and execute it. Okay. So this is the basic syntax for writing first program in C language, and these two lines have to be included in every program we are going to write in C language. Okay. If you have any doubt regarding this syntax, you can just comment in the comment section. I will definitely reply. And in the next tutorial, we are going to see in which software we have to write these codes, how to run them, how to install that software. So the name of the software is Turbo C. Turbo C is the best environment for writing C programs and running, because it's user friendly and convenient for beginners. Like many of you are just a beginner in learning the programming language, so it will be easy for use, and I will completely describe in the next video how to install and how to use, so that you can get familiar with the environment of Turbo C. Okay, and maybe you are learning your programming language, so don't get confused and demoralized, because it happens. When I started learning programming, it was very difficult for me, but anyhow I used to manage and learn different types of programming languages like C, Python, and somewhat Java and C++. So guys, just be in touch with me in this video series, and I will definitely make it sure for you that there will be no doubt left over for you all guys, and you will be playing with these codes and solving daily life problems and many more. And I will make it easy, like it will be a piece of cake for you all. So be in touch, have a good day, and if you like my tutorial, please subscribe the channel and like the video, and keep sharing guys. because it will motivate me to make more and more videos, so that I will get to know that you guys are liking my videos, you are really attentive towards this video series. Thank you.